out there and surf in them. Or just go stand in it. That's south, where Irene came from. And here she is. Hi! Really? Hi, Irene! And that's north. There's part of her. Pretty cool. I think it's cool. What are you talking about? I had to really be quiet. What? You're weird. Crazy, stop. You're not one of like the part of the sun. I know. I think it's cool how you can see the rain. I just think that's so neat. I'm just kind of Cry, baby. It's crazy. Cloud shot. Water shot. Whoa. Who? I mean, poor guy. He went and got out there by himself on his own. I wouldn't let you go out there. Forget that.